we swing into it. So 5, 6 to the front, 7 to the front position, and 8. Now this next time when we come through, let's start. And down, plane break across, plane break down. Plane break across, plane break down. Plane break across, plane break down. This is 4 across and 4 down. 5 across, 5 down. 6 across, 6 down. 7 across and down. 8 across and down. 9 across and down. 10 across and down. The 4 petal anti-spin, let's just do 10 reps of those, which should seem really easy after that 3D stuff. 5, 6, 7, and bottom, front, top, back, 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 and 2 more. And last one, and down. Your right one's gonna be in the front position, your hip is gonna be open to the left, and your left hand is gonna be horizontal in the back position. So let's call this where you're starting. Then we're gonna go to the neutral position. The left poi will be horizontal at the side of the anti-spin, while the right is up top in vertical, in theory. Okay, sorry, I had to straighten my planes there. And then you open your hip to the right. Your left hand is in the front position horizontal, your right hand is in the back, and now here's where you do the plane break, come across the bottom, end up in the horizontal in the back position while you do anti-spin across the bottom. So you start out back where you were. Right is in the front, left is in the back, you're open to the left, your left is horizontal, right is vertical. So let's move to the next position. Hips are neutral, left is out to the side on the horizontal, right is up. Now let's move again. Left is in the front, right is in the back, and I'll count off this one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your plane break again, and end up where you started. Then move to the second position here, where you're neutral. Both poi are in the side positions. And then we're gonna go to the front with the left, the back with the right, and 5, 6, 7, and plane break, come across, plane break again. And then move to the next position, neutral hips. And then move to the left and front, right back. And 5, 6, 7, plane break. And move to the side position with the hips that are neutral, so flat with the left hand, vertical with the right. And left goes to the front, right goes to the back. And 5, 6, 7, 8, plane break and anti-spin with the right hand. And move to the 2 side positions. Left is flat, right is vertical. And then move to the left, front, right back. And then 5, 6, 7, left plane break, right anti-spin, left plane breaks twice. And then we'll just try and go through 1 full cycle and come back to here. We'll try it a couple times. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, 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 bum. 1 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, 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 bum. Well, I said it would be better, but it's not as better as I would have liked.